Good day, viewers all over the world. So we are still under statistics, and what we are going to look at group data. So if you check my page, you will discover that I have done on under on group data. Let me repeat again. When do we use group data, or which data do we consider as what under on group data? Are you getting it? That is those data that have small number of data. Are you getting? Just like for instance, let me say 8 students, the score of 8 students in a math class. So that kind of data is under on what? On group data. Is that it? Because the score of 8 students in a math class is something that we can easily calculate. We don't need to stress ourselves in dealing with that. But when we say group data now, that is when we look at it where a statistical data have a large number of values. It will be necessary to put the data into groups. So in that case, we need to put the data into group. Okay, that's where we are going to have interval. For instance, maybe from 1 to 10, from 11 to 20, from 21 to what? To 30, from 31 to 40, on and on. So that is under what? Under group data. That is when we make use of the interval. Now, let's look at the formula. We need to calculate mean, mode, and median. And what is the mean? We are all familiar with that as x bar equal to summation of fx divides f divide summation of f. So that is the formula to calculate mean. Now, two, the mode, and this kind of mode is what is under group data. It's quite different from the other mode where we say the highest occurrence number. Okay, now but under this one, look at the mode. We need to calculate or to determine the L1. And what is the L1? L1 means what? The lower class boundary. Then we have change the 1 divides what? Bracket change the 1 plus change the 2, then multiply by c. Or L1 plus bracket Fl minus Fb close bracket c, then divides bracket Fl minus Fb minus bracket Fl minus what? Minus Fb. Now, what do you do? Now let me interpret. We say L1 is a lower class boundary of the what? Of the older class. Okay? Then excess of the frequency of the modern class over the frequency of the next lower class. That is what? That is change in 1. Okay? Then what else again? Then under this one, we need to look at our committed one, which is what? Change in 2, which is excess of the frequency of the modern class over the frequency of the upper class. That is what? That is for change in 2 as D2. Okay? That it means excess of the frequency of the modern class over the frequency of the next upper class. This is going to be upper class now. As change 1 means what? Next lower class. Okay, so this is going to be upper class in this case. Now let's go to the median. We have L1 plus bracket L divides 2 minus LB bracket C divides Fn. And what is your L1? L1 is your lower class boundary of the median class. That is L1. We have lower class boundary and we have upper class boundary. Then what is N? Your N is your the total number of frequency. That is N, the total number of frequency. Then your FB means your frequency below the median class. That is FB. This guy, frequency below median class. Then what is FM? FM is what? Frequency of the median class. And what is C? Your C, either this one or this one, it means class what? Class width or class length. So that is what? That is C. Please follow for example 2 under group data. So under that example 2, I'm going to calculate determine mean, mode, and media. Please always follow, always like, comment, and share. Thank you.